Good morning, Ms. Cristal Francisco, right? Yes. So welcome to our company to do this interview. Let's begin with the very basic question. Very basic questions. Tell me about yourself.
So, with that, I would like to describe myself as a hardworking, organized, and goal-oriented. I always try to approach responsibilities with professionalism and a positive attitude. Furthermore, I have developed strong communication, teamwork, and problem-solving abilities and collaborative activities. I am also open to learning new things and experience of and feedback, and I am looking forward to contributing positively through to an organization where I can grow while living my best life.
Okay, so
How do you maintain professionalism when dealing with criticism or negative feedback?
So thank you for that question. When dealing with this exam, I stay calm and avoid reacting emotionally. I try to understand the feedback clearly and use it as an information to improve my performance and become more effective in any responsibilities. So thank you.
So my next question will be,
what are your weaknesses and strengths?
So thank you for that question. One of my strengths is my ability to stay organized and focused even under pressure. I am also a quick learner and work well with others. And as for my weakness, I sometimes take extra time. I want to ensure quality, but I am improving my ability to manage time efficiently.
If you were assigned to a task outside your expertise, how would you handle it?
I understand that workplaces often require adaptability, so I would be willing to step outside my comfort zone. I would take initiative to learn the necessary skills and remain committed to completing my task to the best of my ability.
So for my last question, why do you want to work for this company instead of the other competitors, and why should we hire you?
So thank you for that question, Miss. I want to join this company because I see it as an environment where I can grow professionally while contributing my skills and effort. You should hire me because I am responsible and eager to improve and committed to performing my duties with integrity and professionalism. Thank you.
Alright, so that ends our interview, and I will just contact you through your contact details or contact information. Just wait for the call or email that will be sent to you.
Thank you, Miss.